Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to restore your wallet in the Robinhood Wallet app. If you've changed phones, reset your device, or reinstalled the Robinhood Wallet app, you can restore your wallet using your backup or your secret recovery phrase. Restoring your wallet gives you access to your crypto and wallet addresses again. Make sure you use the same recovery method that you originally used to back up your wallet. Never share your secret recovery phrase with anyone, as it provides full access to your wallet. Now let's get started. First, open the Robinhood Wallet app on your phone. On the welcome screen, tap Import or Recover Wallet. If you backed up your wallet to iCloud or Google Drive, select Recover Wallet from iCloud or Recover Wallet from Google Drive. Enter the password required to unlock your backup. Now tap Recover Wallet, then tap Continue. Choose how you want to secure your wallet. You can use Face ID or your device's biometric authentication, which is the recommended option, or you can create a custom PIN. Tap Continue to complete the recovery process. If you don't have a cloud backup but still have your secret recovery phrase, return to the welcome screen and tap Import Wallet. Copy and paste your recovery phrase or enter it manually. Tap Import, then tap Continue. Choose your preferred security option, such as Face ID, biometrics, or a custom PIN. Next, choose how you want to back up your wallet. You can back it up to iCloud, Google Drive, back it up manually, or choose to be reminded later. You can also enable notifications now, or skip this step and turn them on later. Once the setup is complete, tap Let's Go to access your wallet. After your wallet has been restored, verify that your crypto balances, wallet addresses, and supported networks appear correctly before making any transactions. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.